In this tutorial, we'll show you how to use Tesseract OCR confidence values in C#. Hey everyone, in this tutorial, we'll learn how to get read confidence levels from OCR results using the IronOCR library and a .NET application. First, ensure that you have the IronOCR NuGet package installed in your project. If not, you can easily do so using the NuGet package manager. Moving on to the program.cs file, we start by importing the IronOCR namespace and setting the license key for IronOCR. Instantiate IronTesseract to initialize the OCR engine. Add an image for OCR processing. So in this example, we use an image file named potter.tiff. Perform the OCR operation by calling the read method on the IronTesseract instance, passing in the image input. The overall confidence level of the OCR result can be accessed using the confidence property of the OCR result object. To get more granular confidence levels, you can access the confidence properties at different levels of the OCR result. Access the confidence levels of the entire page using the pages property. Similarly, you can access the confidence level of specific paragraphs, individual lines, specific words, individual characters, and text blocks using their respective properties. Additionally, you can get character choices to see the possible characters for a specific position. So here, we'll get choices from potter.tiff image. First, we'll open the image using OCR image input and read the content from it using the read method. And then finally, we get the choices for the first character in the OCR result. So let's insert a breakpoint for the statement to monitor the confidence for the first character choice. All right, so let's run the application to see how the confidence levels are retrieved from the OCR results. And there you go. The confidence levels provide insights into the accuracy of the OCR operation at different levels, helping you understand and improve the OCR results. And that's it. Possibilities are endless. Go ahead and explore other advanced functionalities of IronOCR for efficient document processing tasks. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials from Iron Software. And if you want to get started with IronOCR, go ahead and sign up for a trial on the site. Continue to download, install the package, and experience the power of our software firsthand. Click the link below in the description. Try it out for yourself.